Hello. So what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be talking about in this video is the Tide Simply Free and Sensitive Laundry Detergent. And with this bad boy, you can get good 25 loads and no dyes or perfumes. You get the dirt out, and this is unscented. So there is no perfume or any fragrance in this detergent. To me, it does have a smell to it, like a cleaning type smell. I mean, your clothes want to smell fresh, but I don't know, it kind of has like a weird smell to. But don't worry, your clothes is not going to smell like that at all. But basically, why I bought this product anyway, and why I've been using for a while as well. Another sensitive detergent that I use, due to me having sensitive skin. I just kind of wanted to explore as far as looking for sensitive. I mean, like, there's sensitive detergents that have a smell to it, but this one didn't have any, so I kind of was just like kind of curious. But I've been using this for a while, and I know Tide is really good as far as detergents. When I realized they had a free and a sensitive detergent, so I've been using this for a while. This is another detergent I use if I'm, using clothes on for like free and for sensitive skin. Rather, sensitive detergent. I hope I'm making sense. But I mostly use it, like, I don't use it on every single wash load I do, but it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling. As far as if it's like a huge load, I may use another detergent, but if it's something small, or basically when I use it sometimes, I know I don't use it on every wash, but the detergent is actually clear, so there's no color. I know it kind of looks yellow in there, but once you pour it out, and let me see if I can do this as I'm talking. See, it's clear, so you don't have to worry about, is it a color? No, it's just clear. So, I mean, it's really self-explanatory using detergent. I mean, just like any other detergents. What I was going to do, I did find out some information about Tide, which I did not know, which is so cool. So Tide was pretty much introduced in 1946. Yes. And manufactured by American multinational Procter & Gamble. And I believe it was in 1946 as well. Tide was labeled the world's heavy duty detergent. Yeah, so they was labeled as, Dawn is the truth. And the first product to be naturally packaged using day glow colors, or as black light paint. Okay, so yeah, basically with the symbols, this was in day glow colors, and day glow colors are black light paint. So I was like, that is so cool. So I have absolutely no complaints about Tide. I think I'm going to do another video trying to find the product, the ingredients, so I don't waste it all on this one video. But I really don't have any complaints as far as that. Like, I wish it did have a fragrance, but I mean, sometimes people can't use fragrances as far as with sensitive skin. I think these are the ingredients though right here, if I'm not mistaken. I believe so. Yeah, I think this is it. Alright. Wow. Okay. So let me clear this and stop shaking this. Okay, so we're looking at, I think here, I believe, these ingredients right here. Yeah, it's kind of hard to find these ingredients. Jesus. Okay. I don't think there's any more. So yeah. Again, if you're looking for a sensitive, a low price detergent, definitely try the Tide Simple Free and Sensitive. They have other as far as sensitive detergents too, but this was on sale and it's low price. Don't have any complaints. None of that. Just doesn't have a smell. If you prefer something with a smell, then definitely don't get this. But yeah, those are the ingredients that I just basically showed. Yep. And the size on this bad boy is, there we go, for 40 ounces. So again, I just said it, but again, the Tide Simply Free and Sensitive Laundry Detergent.